you guys can see, this is pretty filthy. Very dirty. This kit. Let's see what happens. It's the first part of getting my filter changed. As you can see, I removed my K&N filter, and here they are. So I'll be using 10 mil to remove these, and hopefully change my plugs on both sides. You can see 3 on this side, and 3 on that side. There's one right there, one right here, and one right over there. So I'm gonna remove this guy just to make my job a lot easier. Okay. As you guys can see, I removed this cover to replace 3 spark plugs on this side. Very easy access. All right. So I believe it's this one over here that holds it. All right, I loosened up these bolts. Let's see, I'm gonna remove them. Big bolt. All right, I've unplugged this little guy here. All right, so let's see if I can pull this out straight up. Come on. Yeah, okay. Oh, nice. Okay. So, I don't see any. No, that's all dry. Nice and dry. Still in good shape. Good. Alright. It's gonna be the hardest part. As you guys can see, the spark plug is nice and deep inside over there. So let's see if I can put this guy so you can see what I'm using for FJ Cruiser 5/8. But it's a special socket with a rubber piece inside, as you guys know. Specific one for spark plugs. Let me dump this in. No. Which way is out? I believe it's this way, right? Okay. I think I got it. So it's this way, counterclockwise, to get this spark plug out. All right. I feel like coming out. All right, I think it's out. Let's see. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ah, it's actually in pretty decent condition. It's about 100,000 kilometers on it, which is pretty amazing. Denso as well. Well, let's compare this to the new spark plug. Okay, I'm gonna put this one here. One of the new ones. Okay, new Denso. Here it is. I'm gonna remove the bottom spool. Little protector. There we go. So let's compare the new one and the old one. All right. Compare your gaps as well, but yeah, there you go, that's it. All right, this is how I'm gonna install my spark plug. So I put my spark plugs on this tip, and since the socket has a rubber inside, hopefully it will hold up. Yeah, it does. So as you can see, I'm not adjusting the gap. I've contacted the dealership. They said Denso spark plugs are pre-gapped for FJ Cruiser. All right, let's do it. think it caught. I think it's good, yeah. Yep. Perfect. Okay. So, just gotta do a couple of turns. Not too tight. Just so it's snug. Perfect. Alright, last part. I just cleaned this part so it's nice and shiny. Made sure that it's not wet in any way. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll align it the same way so it aligns with the bolt, and I'll try to obviously get this piece in straight onto the spark plug. Okay, I'm gonna move the wire to the side for now. Let me get this in first. That's in, good. I'm gonna get the bolt in first. Just to make sure this is up. Okay. Now I'll plug in. There you go. As long as you hear that pop, that click, we're in. So now I'm just gonna tighten that bolt right over there. About 50 pounds of pressure. And I will move on to the next one. Driver's side, I removed this bracket that was here. Okay. And I removed this bolt here, so I have easy access to 1, 2, and 3 spark plugs. Alright, hopefully this will not be much in the way. I'll tight everything else here on that first one. It's really hard for me to even get a straight angle for that spark plug. But yeah, all the angles here on the driver's side are a little bit tough, so be very careful. Make sure you definitely remove that screw here, right there, that one right there, and that little bracket to help you. If you liked the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.